There's a quiet shift happening right now, and if you're not paying attention, you might be left behind. You're probably seeing all kinds of headlines about economic instability, inflation, and uncertainty around the world. Things are changing fast. But here's something many of the top 5% are doing that most people aren't talking about. You see, while the market's been unpredictable, the wealthiest Americans aren't just sitting back and hoping for the best, they're taking action. They're diversifying into something that's been tried, tested, and true for centuries. They're turning to gold IRAs. And the reason? Simple. In times like these, gold holds its value. Now, if you're like most people, you might be thinking, isn't gold just for rich people or for people who have a lot of money? But here's the thing. Gold isn't just for the super wealthy anymore. It's a strategic move that anyone can make, especially when financial markets are shaky and your retirement could be at risk. Let's dive into why the top 5% are diversifying into gold IRAs and why you should be thinking about it too. First, there's the obvious concern about inflation. Prices are rising across the board, and if your retirement savings are sitting in a traditional IRA or 401k, you might already be feeling the pinch. Your money is losing purchasing power every day, and it's out of your control. The thing is, inflation is not just a trend anymore, it's a reality, and it's here to stay. Now consider the geopolitical tensions that keep cropping up. Trade wars, natural disasters, and even political shifts in the US and abroad can throw markets into a tailspin. President Trump, in particular, has been vocal about the need to protect American wealth, especially in uncertain times. But here's the kicker. While many of us are just watching the headlines unfold, the wealthiest Americans are securing their financial futures by adding gold to their portfolios. Gold is a safe haven asset. When the stock market takes a hit, gold usually performs the opposite. It's a hedge against volatility, inflation, and even market crashes. That's why the top 5% are quietly moving into gold. They know it can protect their wealth in a way that no other investment can. Now, here's something that might surprise you. You don't have to be a billionaire to add gold to your retirement strategy. In fact, the best time to diversify is now. You've worked hard to build your nest egg, and if you're over 50, time is of the essence. The longer you wait, the more your wealth could be exposed to risk. But by acting today, you're giving yourself the chance to protect it and grow it. What if I told you there's a way to learn more about how gold IRAs can fit into your retirement strategy? A way to see if this could be the right move for you? I'm offering you a free gold IRA guide and a complimentary no-obligation call to help you understand exactly how this works and whether it's the right fit for your situation. No pressure, no gimmicks, just straight talk about what makes sense for you and your retirement. This guide is for serious retirees who've built up their wealth and want to protect it, not for people looking for a get-rich-quick scheme. If you've got $100K or more in an IRA or 401k, this is for you. If you don't, there's still a guide for those with less than $50K. But remember, this is about long-term strategy, not quick fixes. I want you to think about the legacy you're leaving for your family. What will happen to your hard-earned money if you don't act now? Your retirement is too important to leave to chance. You've earned this. You deserve to protect it. So, click the link below to get your free gold IRA guide and schedule your one-on-one zero-pressure call with us. Let's talk about securing your financial future in a way that makes sense for you. There's no obligation, just an honest conversation to help you make the best decision for your retirement. Take control of your future. Don't let your wealth erode in a market that's constantly changing. Get the free guide now and make the smart move to protect your retirement today.